in for a good night tonight. Old Turbo Tyler's up there having a cast with his lure. Beautiful night. Beautiful night to catch a shark. You. Mulloway from our fish will see that Mulloway, like the shark was fucking I tried to go out to that next week there. Oh, big Sambo, boy. Let him go. That's alright.
Is it?
Yeah. Let him go. You got.
I got your knot in this as well.
Yeah, that's alright. That might be a big black ray. Oh.
Big.
Yeah, that was a big black ray, bro. That was Stomper. Big blackie.
That's my big hook too, eh?
What's that? Yeah, bro. It never failed me, man. Never failed me. Alright, we're bellying up. The belly's working. Let's get it on. Oh, yeah, boy. He's not on there. He popped it, bro. There we on. Oh yeah. We on, baby. Oh, what do we got? A bit of weight on it. Oh! Lost it. That's alright. That's alright. Plenty of time. Look at him go that way. Right, mate, you can wear her out. I got time. I'll turn you shortly. Alright. Ah, bastard. Oh, I see his tail come out. Big black tail. Big. That shouldn't have busted. In the same spot right now. He's seeing, he's gone. As soon as it went pop, I seen his tail come out. Yeah, he had a bit of bling on him, eh? Then he get that little rod back out. Oh no, you just spat it. I was going to say, I was surprised that he popped me. Look at that, it doesn't even look touched, bro. Yeah. I reckon I had him by the tail, man. That's why I've seen his tail come out of the water. I've never seen that before. Yeah.
We're on.
Woo! Come on, baby. What have we got? Oh, it's got to be a tailor. It's got to be a tailor, hasn't it? Oh, what the hell? I've never caught one of them here. Oh,
that's a big northwestie.
Oh, shit me. You are shitting me. Oh,
Big northwesty.
Fucking blowy. You bastard. That's probably what's cut me off before then. Hey? You're not going to cut that back hook off, though, are you? He's a nasty bugger, so. Look at that for a blowy. Powerful little bolt cutters. You dirty little bastard. You're going back. Burly.
Yeah.
Yeah, boy. Fresh bait. Hooked you good, eh? There's me fresh butterflied herring. So I butterflied him, cut out that back tail, fill it to the arse end. Now that looks like an injured fresh fish. And that's irresistible. Oh yeah? Oh, barracuda. Yeah, boy. Good bait. Oh, put it in my face.
Sorry, bro, I can't see shit.
No, you're right. Yeah, a little cooter. Yeah. Oh, you're on. Oh. Yep. Oh. No, that's too low though. Let it keep going. Yeah, that's alright. They're smart, bro. They sit on that ledge.
Fuck, this is good,
Yeah, man.
eh?
Good combo, bro, eh? The fin gnaw with the Pan Prevail too. Yeah, man. Alright, bro. Yeah, I got scissors on me. Nah, we'll have to cut them, bro. Yeah, I got sinker in my hand. Alright, let him go, eh?
Yeah, got it.
See you, big boy. Yeah, I think it's an eagly or something. I know.
It's right there.
Yeah, it's a little ray, eagle ray. Oh, the fin gnaw bloody Pembervale again. So if you haven't noticed, we've both got this combo. Hello, Mr. Eagle Ray. Oh, you're my wide trace rig. Thank you. That was easy. Bloody barracuda. My GoPro wasn't on. I thought my camera was on, boys. I've been fighting this fish for a couple of minutes. I think we got a big mully. I'm spooking a bit with the light, but I want to get it on film. Still a fair way out. It's definitely fighting like a mully. Oh, look at those head shakes. Oh, I'm going to turn this light off for a bit because I'm spooking it. Every time I shine a light down there, it goes a lot harder than it should be. So I'll get back to you in a minute. Well, we're still on, but I'm just going to get a bit closer. Oh, bro, this is a big mully, man. This has got mully written all over it, bro. That's a big mully, man. Bro. Come on, baby. Come on, baby.
Are those the same?
Yeah, man. It's coming. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Oh. Here comes. Yeah, I know. Oh, it's a mully. I can see it. It's a big mully, baby. Oh, I'm speaking of my light. Oh, I seen it. It's a big mully. Yeah, she's a big mully, man. Oh, that's a big mully, man. Come on, baby. Bro. Oh, bro. Oh, that's well over a metre, bro. Boy, come on. No, don't, man. It's coming. It's coming, it's coming. Righto, bro, grab it. Don't break the line. Get it under the gills. Grab it under the gills and drag it upwards. Yeah, baby! Woo! Oh, yeah! Look at that!
That's huge!
Oh, man, look at this thing. That's a donkey. Bro. Woo! So, look at this for a fish, boys. I don't know, my camera went off, so I don't know if I got it properly, but this is one hell of a Mulloway. Woo! Look at this thing. Oh yeah, I'm gonna go get the brake mat and we'll check out what size we got with this bad boy. Maybe
1100.
we'll see very shortly. Woo! Here she is, ladies and gentlemen. The big mumma Mulloway comes in at 110, 111. That thing weighs a ton. It is so healthy. Woo! Super stoked. This is what we come for. Look at that thing. What a beast. Man, that is heavy. I don't have my scales, but she's a heavy beast. And my fingers are stuck in its gills again. Yeah, boy. That is what it's all about. Woo! Big silver slab. What a beautiful fish. Woo! Was on my new rod.
Christened.
My new rod has been christened. In my Shimano Speedmaster has been christened. Me 13 footer and me Pen Clash. Love this reel. Pen Clash 8000. That is a beast as well. Sick combo. Done the trick. Dragged it in beautiful. Oh, that's it, guys. Time to go home. Tyre's already boosted, old turbo. But we're up too late, so we didn't get up early enough to have a fish in the morning, so gonna pack it up, call it. Beautiful flat day though. Look at that. It'd be nice to stay here for a bloody week, but unfortunately it's almost time to go back to work. So until the next time, next chance to get to go outbound. See you soon.